So this is my redo of number 4. So because of all of the mod, I did it already out, and then I highlighted the parts that you have to take the mod 5 into consideration. So I'm not going to go through it like I did last time, but instead a couple of the changes changed from my last video, because with all the numbers changing, it basically changes everything. So the first thing that I did was I took R2 and I minus 2 of R1, and I got 0, 4, 4, 1. So I'm just going to walk us through that. So we have 2 minus 2, which would give you 0. 3 minus 4, which is negative 1. Negative 1 in mod 5 is 4. Then we have 1 minus 2, which gives you negative 1 again, so that's 4 in mod 5. And then we just are left with 1. So then for the next one, we had no mod changes. We just took R3 and minus R1, and we got 0, 0, 3, 1. And then for the next one, we took R1 and subtracted 2 R2. So, or no, I'm sorry. We did 4 times R2. So this was the part that I had the hardest time wrapping my head around, was how to change this 4 to become a 1 and not affect the 0. And I was like, oh, well, usually we do like a fourth, or we change it by a fraction, and this would change it to 1 over 4, and I was like, that makes no sense. So then I was like, because we're in module, we can always multiply by a regular scalar. So that's why I ended up doing, I did it twice actually. So 0 times 4 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16, which in mod 5 is 1. 4 times 4 is 16 in mod 5 is 1. And 1 times 4 is just 4. So now we have R1 minus 2R2. We had to get rid of this 2 and 1. So we have 0, 1 minus 0 is just 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, but that's mod 5 is 4. And then 0 minus negative 8 is 2 in mod 5. Now we have to get rid of this 3. So we needed it to become a 6 to make it a 1, so I multiplied it by 2. So we got 0, 0, 1, 2. And then we took R2 and we subtracted R3. It's pretty simple, nothing crazy happened. And then the last thing that we had to do, we had to get rid of this 4. So we multiplied R3 by 4, and then took R1 and subtracted it. We got 1, 0, 0, 4 up on the top, because 2 minus 8 in just mod 5 is 4. And that's it. I hope that I fixed it okay.